Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I just thought to prepare something in chicken. So I've yet not named what I'm gonna be preparing. I'll do the naming ceremony when I'm tasting. So stay tuned. My style of chopping onions and even chilies. First let me cut so that masala gets into the meat properly. Now it's time to mix some flavors. Turmeric, chili powder, bit of coriander powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, at last lemon. Let me start mixing this. Let me close a bowl on this. It's been 20 minutes. Let me remove this bowl. And one more thing guys, I forgot to add this salt. So now I'll add it. The first step, let me switch on the induction. Let me get some ghee. This is not butter guys, this is ghee. After keeping in fridge, it has become like a butter. But this is ghee, proper homemade ghee. The ghee is completely melted. I'll put some coriander leaves. I'll put some garlic. Chilies. Bit of onions, not more. Let me start salting this. The aroma of the ghee is smelling really good with onions and chilies. Let the onions get into golden brown. Bit of chili powder has to be added in the pan. The garlic and the chili powder smell is just filling the room. This is a simple way to prepare chicken. I don't know what name should I keep for this chicken because recipe is being followed by me itself. This is my own recipe. So let the chicken enter to the pan. Let me use 1 full glass of water. After this, let me close a vessel on top of this. It's been 7 minutes, so let me open the top and put the chicken pieces to one more side so that it cooks properly. I've turned the chicken. It seems one side it has been cooked properly. Once again, let me close the top on this vessel. It's been 7 minutes. Let me open this plate and check whether chicken has cooked properly or not. And one more thing, guys, I have not kept a name for this chicken, whatever I am preparing today. So after tasting this chicken, let me keep a name for this. I need some spoon. I think chicken need to be cooked more. Yes. I need a spoon so that whatever the gravy is there on the pan, I try to put on chicken and make it a bit spicy. Once you start pouring this gravy on the chicken, it will stick properly when it's getting cooked. Use some more ghee to roast the chicken now. Now whatever the ghee has entered the pan, that needs to just go on the chicken so that the taste goes really good. The chicken is getting roasted completely, so it might take another 2 minutes. To rotate this, it's one more task. This has gone completely brown, looking good. Whatever the ghee is remaining, I think it might get evaporated with this chicken. Now let me raise the flame. It will get completely roasted now. I think chicken has been cooked. Let me check. Let me check the taste. I hope all the spices have gone completely good. It's really very hot. The ghee has been completely entered into the chicken. It's tasting in a different level. Let it get completely roasted. I need that burning smell in this chicken. Then only it sounds good and smells good also. Oh yes. It's time to off the induction. And let me shift the chicken. I'll use some rice. So some onions and I'll salt off. It will taste good. The remaining onions, whatever was left, I'll just use this for fried rice. Rest of the things I won't put it out. Let me use some rice and salt it. So I'll serve the whole rice on the chicken itself. So I've separated some roasted onions and chilies, whatever was there in the chicken. I'll just put that on rice. So finally it's time to taste and keep a name for this dish. So naming ceremony will be done after I taste. So let me taste this first. Rice though, of course it will be good. It's really hot. The flavor of the ghee is smelling so good. The roasted onion in the rice is just in one more level. I'm not just saying because that I prepared, it's good. It's really good. So let me taste some chicken. The flavor of chili powder, the burnt texture of the ghee has been completely entered the chicken, and garam masala, it's just really good. The garlic has been completely entered the chicken, so garlic taste is just good. The aroma of the chicken is slightly smelling as burnt ghee, but yes, it's really tasting good. The texture of the chicken is really very soft. It has cooked well. Let me use some lemon. Once the lemon falls on the chicken and rice, the taste, it goes completely different. The tanginess enters the rice and chicken. Just can't express my feelings on this chicken ghee roast. No, not good. Garlic chicken ghee roast. This name is good for this chicken and rice. So it has come out really good. There is no doubt that chicken has not cooked properly because I put it in the pan. No, the chicken is completely cooked well. So finally I finished eating food. So what I need to keep the name for chicken I was thinking, and I got a name as garlic chicken ghee roast. So that is final. Whatever I have prepared, I kept a name. So I don't know about real garlic chicken roast, how they prepare. I'm literally sweating very badly. So once if I switch on the fan or AC, the voice won't be so clear in the mic. So it's time to end my vlog. Bye guys.